mLIMS Cage Card Tutorial, generated by Susan from BioInfoRx. mLIMS includes a cage card feature that automatically pulls information from your colony data to generate printable cage cards for colony management. Open mLIMS. On the left side menu, find the cages. Click Review Cages. Click on Holding Cages. The table of the holding cages will show up. Select one or a few cages you are interested in. There are all sorts of cage-related functions on the top of the table. Click on the Cage Cards button. You can see the printable cage card. Here in these cage cards, we have the cage name, setup date, owner, principal investigator, protocol. Also QR code in the animal list. You can use a label printer or normal printer to print the cage cards. If you want to change the information displayed on the cage card, you can go to System Settings, and then Settings. Select Cages. In the Cages setting, you can select the cage card design. You have the option to use predefined design, and you can also customize your own. Here we use holding cage card as an example. There are 4 main areas in the cage card. Every field is color-coded. Just drag and drop the ones you want onto the card. Information from same colored area can go back and forth. We can drop the genes information from the yellow color area onto the cage card. We can add the pain level to the animal section. We can also remove animal tag from the animal section. We can add the sources onto the cage card. We can also preview the cage card. Set up the height and width of the card, together with font size. We can also customize the breeding cage card. The idea is similar as holding card, except having special information in the breeding cage card. We also have some additional cage card settings which are mainly about the mating and litters. Here we conclude the introduction about cage card in mLIMS. If you have any questions, please contact us.